Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare QuickBooks Inventory Assembly versus Group Items. We'll explore how each feature helps manage your products, from tracking components to simplifying sales. Understanding these differences is crucial for accurate inventory and financial reporting in QuickBooks. Let's dive into the specifics of each option to help you decide which is best for your business needs. Inventory assemblies are perfect for businesses that manufacture or assemble products from various components. When you create an assembly, QuickBooks tracks the cost and quantity of each part used. Once built, the components are removed from inventory and the new assembly item is added. This provides precise cost accounting for your finished goods. Group items, on the other hand, are designed for sales convenience. They allow you to bundle multiple existing items together under a single name for invoicing without creating a new inventory item. QuickBooks still tracks each individual item within the group separately. This is ideal for selling kits or packages where you want to list all components on the customer's invoice. Deciding between inventory assemblies and group items depends on your business operations. If you manufacture products and need to track component costs and finished goods inventory, assemblies are your solution. If you simply want to bundle existing items for easier sales without creating a new product, group items are more suitable. Remember to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals we've found for you. Choose wisely to optimize your QuickBooks inventory management.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.